I've always been drawing all my life, and I just never really thought like, hey, I want to do something with this like as a career. So whenever I went to OSU, I went for a mechanical engineering degree. It was like, once I got into it, I was like, this is not really what I thought it was going to be. So once I left there, I actually ended up working as a mechanic for a while. So I figured out that why don't I come back down here? I was like, I could do a degree, I could get, 2-year degree and do art, full-time for a job. Out of all of my other things that I've done, it's like so far after high school, it's like I go back and I'm gonna get the degree for that because I'm really interested in it. OSUIT is a very chill environment for learning especially. I think the biggest benefits are class size and like how in-depth you can actually like get with the material and like with your teachers and stuff. I gravitated very quickly towards like digital art and things like that instead of like traditional media. There's so many more applications, and especially even when you get into the program, finding out how many things influence the way you see brands, the way you see like companies, the way you choose products. It's a very neat thing to influence people just based on what you see and based on like read things or, introduce like an image or something like that. So I love Miss Bach, she's great. She's usually very open to like making changes to the plan or doing something to accommodate for everyone. If like some people are like struggling with it, you can ask her any question and she'll do her best to explain it. If she can't explain it herself, she'll find somebody that can. The culture is different. There's still like some aspects that OSU has that kind of like run throughout the whole thing, but a lot of it down here is more down to earth. I feel like this feels like more of the connections that you could make like real world connections. Like it's actually a preparation for real life and, real world like communication and working experience. Now that I've done some other things that I'm just like, yeah, these other things were paying the bills, but they weren't fun. I didn't enjoy them. Like I was just tired all the time. If I'm gonna be paying the bills, I better be paying the bills and doing something I like. That's just kind of how I'm approaching everything at this point. It's just like, we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. We'll get there when we get there, and everything along the way is just something else to learn.